Dinner for tonight, Monday, March 2nd, is Little Caesar Pizza. Dinner for tonight, March 3rd, Tuesday, is mashed potatoes with gravy, chicken, and mixed vegetables. Dinner for tonight, March 5th, Thursday, is spaghetti bolognese. Dinner for tonight is oven-baked fried chicken, baked potatoes, and green beans. This is for Saturday, March 7th. Dinner for tonight, Sunday, March 8th, is ham, peas, and macaroni and cheese.